and welcome to a new video of Made by Siem. Okay, usually I only do this video in Dutch, but I've been asked if I could please do it just once or a couple of times in English, because you guys seem to like my unboxing videos. So I decided for the month of October to do this video in English too. Now, I just opened the box in my Dutch video, and there is one thing I can tell you. I am so super unexpected, but super happy with the color that I got in my box. Now, this month, the theme is Journey to Peru. That means it was inspired by everything of Peru. I don't even think that the yarn is from Peru. Now I'm sure it is from Peru. It is super nice. There were three colorways or three moods that you can choose from. The Energize Me, it had the color Ancient Ruin in it, Ancient Ruin, and it is sort of a grain tone color. Then you have the All Natural, which is the Broken Stones. It is a sort of what I think of what I saw on their website and in the reveal video that Hannah of KNITCRATE did. It is a cream color with a little bit of gray in it. That's how I see it. And then you have the Chill Out, and the Chill Out has the color way Tassel, which is a purple color. And there is another option, and that says Anything Goes. So that is the Energize Me, All Natural, and the Chill Out, and you can get either one of these three. This is actually the KNITCRATE membership crate, but there also is a sock crate. In the membership that you usually, not every month, because this year we had twice that there was just one skein, but it was a super exclusive skein in it. Usually there are two skeins per KNITCRATE. There is a little booklet inside with patterns. The patterns of the membership crate and the patterns of the sock crate are in there. Both crochet patterns and knitting patterns. So, you know, if you're a knitter, there is a knitting pattern in your box, and if you're a crocheter, there is well, actually there are two, sometimes three patterns in the box. Alright, enough said about that. I'm going to show you guys what colorway I got this time. Ta-da! And what I instantly noticed is that usually it is wrapped in some sort of a paper, and this actually is the first time in months that I didn't find you know, a little bit of the wrapping paper in my box. And never mind, maybe they got rid of it, I don't know. It still looks awesome when you open the box. It looks so awesome. I'm going to show you guys what the color looks like. It is hard to show because it looks brighter in my little camera screen than it does in real life. In real life it looks like a couple of colors of the color purple, but it is like a warmed color tone. And for me, because I'm Dutch, sometimes it's just hard to explain you know, what I see, because it is not my mother language, so sometimes it's hard to explain what I see. Beautiful yarn. This is a Vida Lana Ascendance. The colorway is Tassel, like I told you. 100% fine Peruvian Highland wool. It's a sport weight, 328 yards or 300 meters, and it's 100 grams per skein, and you've got two. I love it. Suggested needle size US 5 to 10 or 3.75 to 3.25. Yeah, I think the 325 should be 425, I assume. Let me see what's on this label. Same. I think it should be 4.25. My humble opinion. Okay. Care, hand wash only, lay flat to air dry. And then all of the Lana yarns are made exclusively for KNITCRATE. Love it. It is a beautiful yarn. It is a chain knit yarn. And I found on their website that you also say it's a lofty chain knit style. I don't know. It's a chain knit yarn. Beautiful. Now, there are 2 skeins in this membership crate. Then there is a little present inside, which is a little stitch marker. It's the Bling Your String custom stitch marker. Look how beautiful that one is. It's gorgeous. Ceramic beads, hand painted in Peru, locking clasp works for knitting and crochet, created for KNITCRATE. Find even more at www.blingyourstring.com. Okay, and there is a coupon code. So you can order with 20% off of your order. So that is as just a little extra in your crate this month. Now, this is the inspiration booklet of the month of October, and you instantly can see that this is the other colorway. This is the ancient ruin, and it is the knitted shawl. I'm not allowed to show you everything in the book, so I'm just putting the booklet aside, and I'm going to tell you guys what I see. Now, this is the inspiration, the theme of this month. I'm going to show it to you so you can read it, or you can pause the video and read it. This is the look, the sock crate. So whenever you have a membership of the sock crate, then you can have either one of these skeins, and these are all 3 skeins, or the color schemes, the colors that you can have in your membership crate. And then my hubby-to-be came home. Okay, in the booklet you find explanation about the yarns, description on how they see how the yarns are in the colorways. Then the knitting pattern. That's the knitting pattern, like I showed you guys before. Oh, it is crochet. It says it. No, it is. Okay, crochet is for the next page. Oh, okay. And then the sock crate. These are the patterns for the sock crate. Then the next page, there is the bundling blanket and bonnet set, and it looks like that. So that is crochet. Then the patterns are shown in the booklet. Crochet, knitting, and also for the sock crate. Yeah, it's a beautiful little booklet. Then a sneak peek for next month's crate. It is called Beneath the Waves. So in November this will be the color scheme for all the membership crates. Beneath the Waves, and when I look at the pictures, there must be something inspired of things in the sea. I'm so sure about that. Anyway, I love my knit crate. I love it. When I saw all the colors, all 3 of them for this month's crate, I instantly fell in love with the all natural color, the broken stones. But I'm not a green person, but I even like the ancient Roman for the Energize Me box quite a lot. And I wasn't, when I saw the picture, I wasn't so keen on this one, but now I received this one, I'm actually pretty pleased that I got this one. And don't get me wrong, most of the times I love the yarn in my box, so don't get me wrong, I'm an ambassador for KnitCrate, so they do send it to me every month. They don't even ask me to be always be positive about the box, because they think that your honest opinion is more important than trying to sell their products. And that is just nothing like me. I just like to be honest every single time, and therefore they said, okay, yeah, that's what we want. So I'm pretty pleased that they are open to honest opinions, even from their ambassadors. So thank you so much, KnitCrate, for the beautiful KnitCrate for the month of October. I'm pretty pleased with it. Now, if you decide that you want a membership for KnitCrate, a subscription box, to come to your house every month, then please consider using my link and my coupon code, which is made by Siem 20, and you will get 20% off your first box, your first order at KnitCrate. If you already have a subscription to the KnitCrate, then please let me know what you think, and what colors you like, or what colors you had in your October box. I'm just curious what you guys think of the colors that they have, of the material that is in the box. What did you guys think? What did you guys think of the lovely stitch marker? I think it's a lovely stitch marker. I honestly do. So I'm just curious what you guys think of the box. What you can do, you can go to their website via my link down below into the description box and have a look. They do offer a lot more on their website. They have the subscription box. If you have a membership with them, you will get emails with coupons, or 40 to 60% off. You can go into a saving program, because you will save stash, I think it's called stash points, and you can get a lot of discount in their pop-up store. I don't know, I just go and have a look at their website, and they will all explain it to you very well. So if you're going to have a look at their website, please do not forget to enjoy. Bye for now.